the heart to help his organization in terms of mission accomplishment, performing as a soldier, as a serviceman, doing service for the country, that is protecting the people. Those who have that attitude should be here.
We are transforming, as I said, into as a professional warriors, as I term it. Now we evolve ourselves into at least 3 main special operation jobs, like explosive ordnance disposal. Now we are also involved in some combat divings, and more so our special fields on the SEAL aspect. SEAL because it involves operation of the sea, air, and land.
Maganda ang trabaho ng SWAG, mostly unconventional. Hindi ito nagagawa ng ordinary sailor sa Philippine Fleet o sa Philippine Navy, but as a volunteer to the Naval Special Battle Group, or right now the Naval Special Operations Group, nagagampanan mo yung bilang not an infantryman, but doing special reconnaissance, patrolling, boat operations, air operations, waterborne operations, nagagawa mo na yun.
I wanted, beyond the routine, I wanted something more adventurous. So I decided to join this one.
Most of the guys have low profile guys. We emphasize is humility. The higher you go, the more training you have, the more enemy you kill, the humbler you are.
Talagang hirap na kayo pag nandun na sa field. Doon mo makikita na talagang hindi ka iwanan, even may natamaan na kayo na pindown ko yung kasama. Walang kahit kanino man o pamilya sa Philippines na iwanan namin yan. Balikan namin yan. Kunin namin yan hanggang sa makakaya namin.
In our case, we really fight it out there. So we face to face with the enemy. And what makes us SWAT is teamwork. Once they go out there in the field, walang iwanan. Kamatay lahat, walang iwanan. You must have that kind of courage. As we define courage here, it's not the absence of fear, but it's more on how you handle fear with calmness, with strength fear. Handling that kind of fear with very calm way.
When you say huya, even napakahirap ng trabaho, when you hear the words huya, you still alive and go approach and all the things na pwede mong makamit. Huya demonstrates, go, kahit anong mangyari. Walang iwanan, kahit anong mangyari.
If they are outnumbered, whatever, once they say, huya! Well, that's everybody seems to have another second wind and have an energy again to fight back and win the war.